Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we are installing Roctection's universal mud flaps. And as usual, we're going to start this out by unboxing everything and making sure we have everything in our package here, and making sure we have all our tools located so we can get everything done. We're going to start by lining the holes in the stabilizer plate and rails, and then attach those using the supplied carriage bolts. Securely tighten those using lock nuts. And repeat this for the opposite side. Assemble the hitch clamp by inserting the 4.5 by 3/8 carriage bolts to the clamp halves, and then tighten with the provided lock nuts. Okay, then position this clamp on the back side of the stabilizer plate with the nuts facing down. And loosely secure that with the 1 by 3/8 carriage bolts and lock nuts. Go and slide your protective vinyl clamps on the support flanges, and slide the ball mount through the clamp and lift it into your receiver. Then you can go ahead and secure that with the pin and clip. Position support flanges on the bumper, being sure the frame and bumper are level, and loosely tighten the clamp assembly bolts. Verify your frame is level to your bumper and torque all 4 bolts to 32 foot-pounds. Time to customize our mud flaps for proper coverage. Mark the mud flaps for the mounting holes and desired length if trimming is required. Lay on a flat surface and use a straight edge and utility knife to repeatedly score the flap. Alright, this is the perfect time to drill our mounting holes for the flaps as well. Then we can go ahead and insert the 1 1/4 by 3/8 hex bolts, lock washers, fender washers, and then loosely secure the weld nuts on the opposite side. Attach the flaps to the frame by sliding the weld nuts into the nut channel, and then align these with your tires for the proper coverage. Repeat this to the opposite side as well. Then we're going to install our trim plates by clamping them to the bottom of the mud flaps, and then drilling the desired side holes through the flap. Then we can go ahead and secure these with our supplied hardware, and fully tighten the flap hex bolts on the top as well.